Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to fix 100% disk usage and the steps are very easy. So please focus with me and hit the like and subscribe button if the issue has fixed for you. Let's see the steps. So first of all, we just need to press Windows key and R key together. And here you just have to type services.msc, then click OK. Once the services is opened, we will type W. And we are looking for Windows search. And here, and simply do right click and go to properties and click on stop button, and then here just select disable and then click on apply and OK. We do the same for sysmain. Here right click, properties, click on the stop button and disable it, apply and OK. Also in connected device platform services, here properties and stop button and we select disable, then apply and OK. Then just close this and we're gonna move to the next step. So we go to File Explorer and then we go to main drive where my operating system is installed, the C disk, and then right click and go to properties, and here we are going to tools. Then we select optimize and I click on optimize, and then we need to turn it off like this. And check this and then OK. And once this is done, restart your computer. Like this. And we will move to the next step, which is I'll open Task Manager and go to Startup, and here all the applications that you don't use it too much should be disabled, like Spotify here and Slack. And please don't disable any Microsoft or graphic application. Let me know if you have any issue or if the issue is still there. I will do my best to resolve it with you. Thank you and bye bye.